Hi guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make आलू मेथी कैप्सिकम फ्राई। दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज चेक कीजिए। This sabzi is very easy to make and also a very quick recipe. This can be served with roti, chapati or even poori. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and half tablespoon fennel seeds. I'm adding quarter teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric, add 1 cup finely chopped onions, 2 chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoon grated ginger. Now saute the mixture for a minute. Add 1 cup capsicum. I have chopped the capsicum into big pieces. Now saute the mixture for 1 more minute. Then add 1 cup finely chopped methi leaves and saute the mixture for 1 more minute. Now let's add all the masalas. Half tablespoon cumin powder and half tablespoon coriander powder. Half tablespoon dry mango powder. 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Salt as per taste. Give it a nice mix. Please keep your flame from low to medium. Now I'm adding 1 cup boiled peas and 1 cup boiled potatoes. I have chopped my boiled potatoes into cubes. If you want, you can add 1 cup mashed boiled potatoes. I don't want my sabzi to be mushy, so I have cut it into cubes. Give it a nice mix and our aloo methi capsicum fry is ready to be served. This sabzi can be made for lunch or dinner along with roti or chapati. As this recipe is quick and easy to make, it will be a great lunchbox recipe too. If you have liked this recipe, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching the video. Have an amazing day.